What's that sound? My fan's dusty. Help! My fan is dusty. Listen to it. Listen to it. It's loud. Hello. I'm dusty. Clean this! Clean my fan! Ah, there you go. Look at it. Dusty! This is your MacBook speaking. Clean my fan, please. Okay, so in this video, we're going to clean out the fan to the MacBook Air. As you can see, the MacBook has already been shut down. No matter if it's not asleep, it's been shut down. I'll flip you over. Kind of. And then I have these catch-alls for the different screws. So we'll start with the okay, so we got the first set of screws. Now we're going to bring this up. Hello, the insides of the MacBook. Now I'm looking at it, the fan doesn't look too bad, but hey, I'm committed. I'm committed. Is this the RAM? Oh, the first thing we need to do, we need to unplug the battery. Look, and we have this little flappy thingy. Okay.
Look at this. There's some dust there.
This is too big. Is that also a pentalobe? No. I had to take close-up of the screws, and they are not cross-hair screws or they're actually pentalobe screws. The videos I watched prior to doing this said that you needed a Phillips screwdriver and a pentalobe driver, but it seems like here to me that these are all, well, not all of them. These are pentalobe screws. So we're gonna unscrew this one. have a catch-all, and I'm positioning them in the way I unscrew them. Now, there's this thing you have to undo. I think it's this thing here. Or let's see. Okay, I got that off. And now we're going to undo these. Kind of see dust in there. These two screws here, this one and this one, are kind of stubborn. That don't fit, that don't fit, that don't fit, and I don't want to strip the screws. So I bought this years ago. Came to mind that I remembered I had this. So I think this is going to help. All right, so I think that we have what we need here for getting those last two screws out. I hope this is correct. It's just like a teeny tiny micro thing. Let's see if that's going to help me. All right, let's see. Oh, I found it. Yay! All right, iFixIT. And you're probably wondering, how did you end up with the iFixIT toolkit? Well, years ago, there was this, I think it was an iPhone Academy. I think the guy is still in business. He's doing really well. And he was offering the course to fix iPhones. And I bought into the course, but I never really pursued it. But I did buy the kit. Look at this. I bought the kit. I'm glad I did, because I didn't know I was going to be doing this type of YouTubing. Here we are. Beep. All right now. Ta-da! Well, it's not that dusty. Look at that. All right, there's the fan. Let us, well, we're not going to brush it over the computer. Let's see, let's move the computer out of the way. I don't want to get any dust on it. I also want to like dust out this area here. Get out of the way just for a second. Put you on the bed here. Okay. We can do the, gosh, help me. I don't want to frostbite myself. I'm gonna do this. I think that'll work. Oh, look. Oops. Although I still see some stuck on dust. I see stuck on dust. Do you see stuck on dust? I see stuck on dust. So let's clean this as much as we can. Let's see that. The fan looks pretty clean to me. Goes. I wanted to make sure I wanted to insert this little ribbon thing here correctly. So we're going to go like that. Oh, I don't know if I connected it right. I wonder if you have to like push it in more. Except to slide in the stingy and needs to go all the way in. Let's do this. Move it. fully. So I'm going to oh, great. I think I broke the eyelash. Oh, no. I did. I'm annoyed. All right. Well, let's see what happens. Okay. All right, my battery's about to die. I broke the eyelash thing. There you go. Coming clean. I hope it still works. I was having trouble with sound on my Mac. After I had put everything back, I realized I forgot to put this in. So, my bad. Internal speakers back. Hey guys, how you doing? So yes, I'm a bit annoyed with myself that I broke off the retaining flap to the fan cable to the, I take full ownership, I take accountability. No one's to blame but myself. After that happened, I did some more research and I found a video where the gentleman said that when you put the fan cable in, make sure that the white line, and you'll see in the video, make sure that the white line disappears. And once it disappears underneath the retaining little socket, you can put down the retaining flap. And when I was watching over the footage of as I was editing, I saw that I had done that multiple times. You live and you learn. And I'm not going to beat myself up over this because I say there's always a solution to everything. So I started to look up, there are laptop cooling pads. Yeah. So I went on Amazon and I have one there and I'm about to order it after I finish putting everything up. And then a thought came to me and you guys can answer that. I thought, because I kept it as a souvenir. There you go. I said, what if I took a piece of electrical tape and with a pair of tweezers, I fitted it over there and I secured it into place. Would the fan work? Would the electrical tape affect the operation of the laptop or not? Or maybe it's just something I shouldn't even attempt at all. The laptop works. It still works. I downloaded Max Fan Control because I really wanted to know if the fan was spinning or not. And I found another video where the gentleman he owns a repair shop, he said, the MacBooks, they get to a really high temperature before the fans kick in. And I just wanted to see if my fan was working, but it's not. Right now, I'm looking at the temperatures like 172 degrees Fahrenheit. And I actually have the fan propped up on a laptop stand so that the air can circulate beneath it so it's not flush against the table or my desk. I was wondering about that with the electrical tape, the connection. I am ordering a laptop cooling pad. And another thing was, I came across some videos from iFixIT, and I made reference to the toolkit I have there. And what I noticed from that is like people there who are starting the tutorial, they will start from one point and then they will refer you to the iFixIT website. And I went there thinking that it would be more detailed. Perhaps they would have more detail about the fan cable and how to get it in. But all I found was that it just got you to the part where you took everything out. And then for returning everything back, they said just reverse all the steps that we showed you and call it a day, pretty much. So I was like, I found inserting the fan cable back into its socket difficult. That was me. And I'm sure it was difficult for a lot of creators who created these types of tutorials where they would say that and they would just say reverse everything back. But there were also creators that actually physically did it. And one creator said make sure that it's all the way in. But the clear one came from the other creator when he spoke about the white line. When the white line goes underneath the retaining socket, then you could put down the retaining flap. Yes. So yes, that is the purpose of the videos I create, to show that I'm just some random girl who's interested in retro tech and interested in learning how to do new things, doing it, fixing things on her own, and having hiccups here and there and learning from that. So if you came this far, thank you so much for stopping by. And I know the comments to this video are going to be thoughtful and insightful. They're going to be funny and hilarious, as they always are, because all you guys are amazing. I love you guys. So thanks again. And if you liked this content I put out, give it a like, subscribe so that I can reach more amazing, awesome sauce people just like you. Thank you again for stopping by. See you in the next upload. Cheers.